Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the new for LG Smart TV and MR650A620GA19BA remote control case soft silicone protective cover. This little accessory packs a punch when it comes to protecting your remote control from scratches, dust, and accidental drops. Made from high-quality silicone, it's designed to perfectly fit your LG Smart TV remote, providing a snug and secure grip. The soft silicone material not only adds a layer of protection, but also enhances the grip and comfort of holding your remote control. No more slipping and sliding when you're trying to navigate through your favorite shows and apps. Plus, the precise cutouts allow for easy access to all the buttons and functions, so you won't miss a beat. Not to mention, the sleek and stylish design adds a touch of personality to your remote, making it stand out from the crowd. Whether you're a minimalist or love vibrant colors, there's a case to match your style. So, why should you consider picking up the new for LG Smart TV and MR650A620GA19BA remote control case soft silicone protective cover? Well, it's all about keeping your valuable remote control in top condition for the long run. It's a small investment that can save you from the headache of having to replace or repair a damaged remote. And hey, if you want to grab one for yourself, I've included a link in the description below. It's a convenient way to keep your remote looking and feeling brand new, so why wait? Click the link and treat your remote to some much needed TLC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.